Greetings. Hello, everyone. This is Michael again, talking to you through YouTube. It's the 21st of April, 2026, year of the fire horse, according to the Chinese astrology. And yeah, I'm excited for this year. Also, I would say looking a bit forward into the future. Um, this is also a year one in a longer cycle, a 9-year cycle, according to numerology. And so I feel like, in a way, there's a lot to look forward to. I mean, we're in the beginning of a new phase. Um, and yeah, I'm excited. I want to use this YouTube channel to share. I've had a lot of insights and visions in the last days. And I'm still a bit in a phase trying to figure out how to share things, how to get my visions out into the world. But I real and so even with this fumbling and mumbling, you can see that I'm happy that we have. Sorry, I'm happy that we have the possibility now to get on camera. I'm using my laptop right now. I'm just in my living room, getting this nice blurry vibe around me, and I like, and this picture. No, sorry, this. Oh, this is so silly video. But the idea of being on YouTube and that everybody can, in a way, if they want, do it. Some I am really impressed by all those do all those fancy editing things, getting the text in, and I don't know. I'm not a super fancy guy. Well, in some ways, I like to be fancy and advanced. But you can see I'm sitting here with my morning face, but still, I feel the need, and I feel the joy, and I feel the, I don't know, possibility of freedom to allow myself also to open up this my ideas and thoughts and my emotions and my throat chakra, as they say. I often have this feeling. Now it feels good, but I often feel a blockage because there's maybe more things, many things I would like to say, but somehow I'm also a very sensitive guy, so I'm feeling everybody else's kind of vibe where they are, and I can sense somehow what I feel would be accepted in the existing circumstance. So I spend a lot of energy to analyze, and that's a gift in a way, because I can adapt very much to other people, and maybe, but it also is challenging because I struggle to find full freedom or environment spaces where I can really allow myself to embrace also, or fully open up. So that being said, I want to this was like a little release of or first a step into this YouTube project, which can go many ways, but in a way it's my pleasure. I hope this lands well. I wish you a good spring, and I think I'll be coming back soon with more videos. Um, Yeah, take care. Have a beautiful day. Greetings from me, my corner of the world. Peace out. Bye.